Welcome to our comparison of two powerful AMD processors, the Ryzen 57600X and the Ryzen 999500X3D. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance capabilities, and pricing to help you decide which CPU is the best fit for your needs. The Ryzen 57600X is designed for gamers and mainstream users, while the Ryzen 999500X3D targets enthusiasts and content creators. Let's dive into the details. Let's start by comparing the technical specifications of both processors. The Ryzen 57600X features 6 cores and 12 threads, with a base clock of 4.7 GHz and a boost clock of 5.3 GHz. It has a TDP of 105W and includes integrated graphics. In contrast, the Ryzen 999500X3D boasts 16 cores and 32 threads, with a base clock of 4.3 GHz and a boost clock of up to 5.7 GHz. It has a higher TDP of 170W and does not include integrated graphics. This difference in core count and architecture makes the Ryzen 9 a powerhouse for multi-threaded tasks. When it comes to performance, the Ryzen 57600X delivers excellent gaming performance for its price, making it a popular choice among gamers. However, it may struggle with extremely demanding multi-threaded workloads. On the other hand, the Ryzen 999500X3D excels in gaming, especially in titles that utilize 3D V-Cache technology, and is also ideal for content creation and heavy multitasking. This makes it the go-to choice for professionals who need top-tier performance. Lastly, let's discuss pricing. The AMD Ryzen 57600X is priced at $299, making it an affordable option for gamers and mainstream users. In contrast, the Ryzen 999500X3D comes with a higher price tag of $699, reflecting its premium performance and features. While the Ryzen 5 offers great value, the Ryzen 9 is aimed at those who are willing to invest more for superior capabilities. In conclusion, both the AMD Ryzen 57600X and the Ryzen 999500X3D have their strengths and target different audiences. The Ryzen 5 is perfect for gamers seeking a balance of performance and affordability, while the Ryzen 9 is designed for enthusiasts and professionals who demand the best. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.